ICTQual is offering you Level 6 Diploma in Biotechnology Engineering, 360 credits, 3 years. A transformative qualification that equips you with the advanced skills and knowledge to drive innovation in biotechnology. Biotechnology engineering is at the forefront of solving some of the world's biggest challenges, from healthcare advancements and sustainable agriculture to environmental conservation and bioenergy. The ICTQual Level 6 Diploma in Biotechnology Engineering provides you with a deep understanding of the engineering processes behind biotechnological innovations. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 36 mandatory units which will be completed in 3 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits, total in 360 credits by the end of the program. Year 1, Foundations of Biotechnology Engineering, 120 credits. Year 2, Intermediate Biotechnology Concepts, 120 credits. Year 3, Advanced Topics and Specialization, 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring biotechnology engineers, biological science graduates, engineers from related disciplines, pharmaceutical healthcare and agricultural professionals. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 6 years of verified experience in biotechnology engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqual.co.uk for more qualifications and information.